Most artists look at a beard and see thousands of tiny lines. That is the first mistake that kills your realism. If you try to draw every individual hair, your art will look flat and chaotic. Today, I'm showing you the legendary art method for mapping out facial hair that actually looks three-dimensional. We aren't just drawing hair, we are drawing volume, shadow, and life. Understand the beard's mass before drawing hairs. Look at the jawline. A beard casts its own shadows. Map the darkest clusters with a blunt to B4B pencil. Treat hair in clumps, with tops catching light and bottoms in shadow. Get these shadows right, and the beard looks real before a single strand is drawn. Facial hair follows the face anatomy, curving around the chin and tapering toward cheeks. Use a flicking motion. Heavy pressure at the root, lift at the tip. Matching stroke direction creates organic flow. Dot avoid uniform thickness. Tapered strokes prevent a wire-like, unnatural look. Realism comes from contrast, after darks and mids. Dot add highlights with a mono zero or sharp eraser. Lift graphite to create stray white hairs randomly, mimicking natural light. This contrast between deep shadows and bright highlights makes the beard pop and feel three-dimensional. Finally, we add the ghost hairs. These are the tiny scattered hairs that sit just above the main beard line on the skin. They break the perfect artificial edge and make the viewer's brain believe they are looking at a real person. Take your time here. Realism is won in the final 10% of the work. And there it is, from a rough sketch to a legendary, hyper-realistic texture. If this breakdown helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Fabulous Art Channel for more masterclasses. Now, take a look at the finished piece. Stay legendary.